My name is Samantha Geiger, and I am the makerspace coordinator for Stego Studio. So Stego Studio houses a lot of tools and resources that are available for students to use for free to help them with their academic careers with project help as well as research help. We have been here for about a year. We house 3D printers, a laser cutter and engraver, 3D scanners, a Cricut, button makers, all kinds of tools that faculty, staff, and students can use for any kind of fabrication needs. With our donor support, we are able to keep Stego Studio free and accessible for all students, faculty, and staff, as well as keeping our materials free for them to use.
My name is Julia Sebastian, and I teach foundations in art and design. I used Stego Studio this summer in preparation for our foundations orientation, where students were going to make shirts, and so we did some screen printing. But I also had different images of like Kentucky icons, laser cut in the glow forge, and I glued those together to make stamps, and so students could screen print or stamp using different colors and kind of design their own shirt as they kind of wrapped up their orientation. That was at the end of the first week of class. They just showed me how to do it. Like, you don't have to know about 3D modeling on the computer or anything with CAD. You can come in and they just like make your dreams come true in like really simple ways, which is exciting. And students love it. They're super excited to be in this space. And even if you don't have a specific project in mind with how you could use this resource, it's like a free university resource. So why not bring students in and get some ideas flowing with them? And they're creative people, and they'll figure out a lot of ideas that can only be possible through using this space. I've never had a student complain that they know more about 3D printing and laser cutting. And so why not, since we're here to share knowledge and expand ideas and ways of thinking. It's like a great way to do that with not very much effort and I think a lot of reward. So I would bring everyone.